Hi folks, I'm back again. Sorry, this is a continuation of that last clip. I accidentally, it's part of the fault, where they place the on-off button on this camera is real close to where I put my thumb, and when I'm maneuvering the camera around sometimes I inadvertently, my hand slips over and pushes the button. That's one of the reasons sometimes my clips end prematurely when I don't want them to. So apologies for that. To try and be a bit more attentive to that. It comes with moving the camera around about and getting excited and talking, too much. What I was about to say was, how are we going to make some improvements on this? So yeah, broaden this arch, skim something a bit more off of this. In other words, just make it a little bigger. Might just take a little bit off the ends, each end there. That's one thing. Another thing is, I think that actually the next thing that I'm going to do is, as well, my hole that I've got down here. I'm going to make this. I'm going to open it out by probably 1/8 of an inch all around. File it all out and make that into a bigger, just a little bit bigger of an orifice for the burner. I'm thinking I've not quite got enough. If I get the burner, I'll just move that. I mean, although I have the burner located like that, once it's in there like that, if I were, I don't know, I'm just sort of thinking that I'm going to open it out a little bit wider. Yeah, a good 1/8 of an inch wider all round in diameter, that hole. So, and also the angles that I've got cut here on the side, I'm going to also just widen them slightly. They don't quite mesh up properly with the chimney here. Doesn't exactly tie in. It's a little bit still. It could have a little bit of a shave taken off on either side a bit more. So those are the alterations that I'm going to do. And I'm hoping that will give me the extra boost. The extra boost. Sorry folks, this turned into 2 clips. It was supposed to be 1, but as it cut me short in the middle of my flow, as it were, and trying to explain about, because that's something I wanted to do, to leave with you, some thoughts about how I'm going to improve it. As I've told you before, this kiln and all the photographs that I've taken, probably around about 100 photographs, I'm going to put on a PDF, and they will be available on my website. So go there, simonleachpottery.com. If there's any pots that you wanted from this firing that you see me just take out, write to me, as I said, and get the date stamp and freeze that frame so I know which one you're talking about. Okay, apart from that, come and join us for a workshop. Check out the dates on my website, and above all, keep practicing. I'll see you around town. Wow, what a lovely day, what a lovely day in the month of May. Yes, just a few flowers here to show you folks. Woo, woo. An old trough for feeding pigs or something. Okay, hey, take care. See you. Bye for now.